Ashley. Welcome to the video. Sorry. Today we are going to be unboxing our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It says Shine On, Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine. Alright, so let's see what we got first. First off, we have our little baggie. I love these. They're super cute. It's blue, navy on the inside, silver for Christmas. I'm going to use that as a wallet. Super cute. Okay, our first product is Complex Culture Press and Set Bronzer. Let's see what this is. It's a brush. How about that? It's really pretty. And super soft, guys. Wow, that is really soft. Okay, this says Complex Culture Press and Set Bronzer Brush. Every Complex Culture brush is made to multitask and save your day in your time. Thanks to its exclusive, luxuriously dense synthetic bristles designed to mimic natural brush hairs. This 2-in-1 setting bronzing brush helps you apply both powder products seamlessly, plus it's vegan and cruelty-free. So that's pretty cool. Okay, it was nice. You sent it in a box. Oh, how much did it cost? That was $35. I don't think I paid that for a brush, but if it's good and it's worth it, I guess I would. Alright, then we have the Tarte High Performance Naturals Stay Spray. It's a fitting setting mist. Just got my nails done. Let's see if we can open the box. Alright, that's super cute. Really cute. Let's see if it smells. Not strong at all. Very, very lightly scented. I don't like anything with a strong scent on my face. Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Stay Spray Setting Spray. Say that 10 times fast. This makeup setting mist from Tarte is a bestseller for good reason. The microfine spray with cooling aloe and cucumber extracts keeps your look from melting, cracking, fading, or settling into fine lines for up to 16 hours. A must-have for hectic holiday schedules. We're going to put that to the test. Next up, we have, can you see that? The Verso Eye Cream Extra Nourish. Let's see if it smells like anything. Nope. Okay. I smell everything, guys. I don't know why. I just do. Make this moisturizing eye cream from Verso Skincare a part of your daily skincare regimen and prepare to be seriously impressed. It's packed with lipids, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin, plus antioxidants to ward off fine lines and discoloration. I have, I don't know if you can tell, these dark spots up here from, I guess, being young and stupid and getting in the tanning bed and, yeah, stuff like that. So, maybe it'll work on those. I have a new product I'm using. I'll share that in my next Get Ready With Me. But it seems to be actually working, and I'm shocked, but I love it. Okay, next up, we have these two lip balms. Is the muah Organic Lip Balm Set in Peppermint and Vanilla. 5 ingredients, that's it. This balm leaves lips soft and supple with 100% certified beeswax and organic coconut, olive, and essential oils. A hint of sativa helps indulge your sweet tooth and protect your lips from the winter chap. Have I been telling y'all how much stuff was? Oh my goodness. The setting spray was $25. The eye cream was $65. And these are a set of 2 for $7.98. So let's smell them. Whew, that's mint. That's strong. I don't know if I would like that one. Oh, that's vanilla. And that's just a sweet, subtle scent. but it smells amazing. Alright, last product is a palette from Ipsy, maybe, Ittse. Let's take a look. Come on, nails. Ugh. Shouldn't have put these on. Okay. Oh, it's really nice. It reminds me of what where those really expensive palettes. We got one the other day, but it was a small one. The Natasha Denona. It reminds me of how they look with the soft. And it's magnetized. Look at that. Alright, let's see. It only has 4 shades in it. So to me that seems like a waste of space. It's like a plummy color, a brown, a beige, and then like a cool tone purple, kinda. But it does come with a nice mirror. Let's read and see what we can find out about this. Ipsy, the Van Ness Eyeshadow Quad, the ultimate winter eyeshadow quad. This versatile combo of matte and shimmery shades flawlessly mix and match for everyday looks or partly ready smoky eyes. And the powder's soft, buttery texture blends just as easily as a cream. We're obsessed. So I can't wait to try that, as well as all the products. I will keep you updated in my next Get Ready With Me as to how all of these are working out. And I will be seeing y'all later with the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. Be kind, make good choices, and see you later.